Well, hello and welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to have a bit of a laugh with some kitchen gadgets. First things first, somebody very kindly donated a microwave, and also over here I've got an old Breville or cheese toasty maker that spent a bit too much time in the cupboard and got mouldy. So we're going to pull these bad boys apart. We're going to find out what's inside them, and then we're going to think about what we can make out of them. What's inside the microwave? Not a lot, actually, unfortunately. I'm a little bit hungry. Cheese toasty, anyone? Yeah, they're in a pretty despicable condition. This one wasn't mine. It was found and I don't even know if it works. We should probably try it. I know this worked. Yeah, this one got a little mouldy in the cupboard after I didn't clean it out, having put it away after having a bit of a party. So yeah, let's pull these things apart. I'll probably start with the microwave first. The ding, the bell works. I might nick the bell out of it. I reckon the bell would be quite cool to have somewhere in here. And each time we get a new subscriber, we could ring the bell. Probably about twice a year then. So yeah, these screws are regular screws. I shall show you much like that type of screw right there. But unfortunately, down here we have the security screws to stop idiots like me from busting into it. So yeah, I don't think I actually have any of those, so it might be a Dremel job. Right then, so I just tried this microwave and plugged it in and nothing worked. So good news, what we have got is the thing that goes ding. Love it, gonna keep that. I could play with that all day long. Wicked. So we've got a magnetron, which is here, and we have a big fat hairy transformer, which is here. We've got a power factor capacitor, and various other electronics kicking around. It's actually quite simple. It's not really a big issue, and we even have a light bulb over there as well. And we've got a few little switches to make sure that the door's closed before it enables the magnetron. But I think, to be honest, I think this is what we're gonna look forward to having a play around with. And this here is the high voltage transformer, which generates the high voltage, which allows the magnetron to then generate its super high frequency radio waves, which jingle the molecules of the water and effectively heat whatever has got water in it inside the microwave. All right, so just a quickie then. There's the there's the thing that goes ding. You can make it go ding a lot if you want to, which is awesome. This is the magnetron here. This is the transformer, which has written on it danger high voltage. Awesome. Doesn't actually tell us what. I'll look it up on the internet at some point. Oh, it's Chinese. Nice. Guangdong. Then over here we've got the power factor correction capacitor, and we have the fan there. That might come in useful for some stuff in future projects. Micro switches. Where's the micro switch? Just here, sorry. Micro switch to check that the door's closed. Up on top here we've got a thermal cutout for the magnetron, so if the magnetron gets too hot it will shut down the drive power. We also have one for the casing as well, so whatever is inside this casing. If that starts getting too hot, this will shut things down as well. Good safety mechanisms. Yeah, cool. All right, let's start pulling screws off and pulling this apart some more.
I'm sat down by a beautiful woman. Oh, my day has come. I'm sat down by an angel. Oh, my day has come. I'm sat down by a beautiful woman. Oh, my day has come. I'm sat down by an angel. Oh, my day has come. I'm sat down by a beautiful woman. Oh, my day has come. I'm sat down by an angel. Oh, my day has come. I'm sat down by a beautiful woman. Oh, my day has come. I'm sat down by an angel. Oh, hand me that bottle. Anybody here seen my shoes? I feel a little sorry for myself, and this ain't good for my health. Anybody here seen my shoes? Ain't it such a shame? Another day has been and gone. There's no one else to blame for the writing on the wall. Ain't it such a shame? Another place without a name. There's no one else to blame for the writing on the wall.
So with some basic tools, we have managed to remove from an old abandoned microwave a fan cooler, a couple of, sorry, not even a couple, 3 nice little micro switches. Yeah, sounding positive. A synchronous rotating motor that keeps the food turning. A rather horrible looking light bulb, and but ultimately we've got a light bulb holder. Bit of a clean up that might work in the shed. We've got a magnificent looking magnetron, so find out what that bad boy is all about in the near future. PCB. This PCB is very useful. There's a nice toroidal coil on it. Looks like there's a relay on it, 24 volt DC relay. We've got a couple of 30 ohm 10 watt wire wound, sorry, one 30 ohm 10 watt wire wound and a 5K4 10 watt wire wound resistor. This fuse might be the thing that's actually stopping things from working. We've got a mains cable that we can just, hook up straight to the mains and use it to do nasty things. Couple of thermal cutouts, which are quite awesome. These are the resetting types of thermal cutouts. Here is a big fat hairy high voltage 0.92 microfarad capacitator with a 10 meg resistor in series with it. There's another little what is that there? Yeah, can't read what that says on it, but I'm guessing that's like a back to earth type capacitor to get rid of any spikes. We also have a 5 kilovolt 0.65 amp fuse, and this is the bad boy right here. This is ultimately what we were really looking for. That is a high voltage transformer. So, as I said, I've seen people do interesting things with this. Some people have removed the secondary winding and used it to put some big fat hairy cable in and and then go ahead and use that as a welding transformer. I don't think it'll have a very long life like that. But yeah, let's see what comes of this. So tune in again in the not too distant future, and you'll see what kind of mad projects we get up to in the wacky workshop here. Cheers and beers.